Hello, this is a short video to show you how to pair remote and alarms. Now I have one remote and two alarms. Check. This remote is already paired with this alarm. So first we should take off this battery and put it away. Now this remote is not paired with this alarm. First, you should take off this battery and then put it on. Press this button, doorbell button, and hold for seconds. When it beep, press this button and pairing is done. So now just put once. I can control two alarms through this remote. That's all. Thanks for watching.